Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Stephen-Claude Hyatt. I'm a clinical health psychologist and traumatologist, and I'm the managing partner at Cognitive Assurance Life Management International, that's CALM International. Now you may be wondering why I'm so dressed down today as opposed to the last two videos that we did, both myself and Dr. Claudine Hyatt. Well, that's because today I want to demonstrate to you how we can help the body and the mind to relax. Now, there are two things that happen when we experience stress or anxiety. The body responds to stress from the autonomic branch of the nervous system, and it has what's called the sympathetic and the parasympathetic response. So whenever we are stressed or anxious or we perceive a threat on our lives, the sympathetic response kicks in. And this is the part that deals with fight or flight to protect ourselves. So our blood pressure goes up, our sugar level goes up, our cholesterol goes up, our immune response goes down, our heart beats more, we salivate less, so we have dry mouth. But chemical reactions happen as well. We produce more adrenaline, cortisol, epinephrine. Now when this happens, the body is in a heightened state to protect itself. But then once the perceived danger or threat has passed, then the parasympathetic kicks in and the opposite takes place. So we become more calm, our heartbeat regulates, our salivation goes up, we experience a more relaxed state, blood pressure goes down, etc. But chemical things happen as well. So we produce more dopamine, more serotonin, and dopamine blocks pain while serotonin makes us feel happy. Now, when this happens, it should happen normally because the parasympathetic, it controls homeostasis in the body to help the body to rest. Now, in a situation like COVID-19, the parasympathetic does not kick in because we don't know when this is going to end. So people are on alert, they're stuck on the sympathetic. So I'm going to teach you two techniques to help you to kickstart the parasympathetic and get us to be more relaxed. The first one is called a grounding exercise, yeah? And I'm going to ask you to find a comfortable position, seated in a chair or on your bed, but make sure that your feet are planted on the ground. Make sure you're relaxed, you could lean back, doesn't matter. And so I'm going to talk you through it, and I want you to do it along with me. So close your eyes, try to relax, and just breathe regularly in and out. Be mindful of the noise around you, be mindful of the sounds. Don't let them distract you, just invite them into your consciousness. Be mindful of your brain. You cannot feel it, but it's there. It's sending signals to the rest of your body to function well. Be grateful for your brain. Your brain is functioning, it's keeping you alive. And just breathe in and out, regularly in and out. Be mindful of your heart. You may or may not be able to feel it, but it's working well. It's pumping oxygenated blood to our body. It's nourishing our vital organs. It's keeping us alive. Just pause and be grateful for your heart. And just breathe in and out, regularly in and out. Be mindful of your lungs. You cannot feel them, but they're functioning well. They're taking in oxygen, calm, blue, relaxing oxygen, and releasing carbon dioxide, red, warm, stress, worry. And just be grateful for your lungs. And just breathe in and out, regularly in and out. Be mindful of your bum against whatever you're sitting on, or your back leaned against it. Be mindful of your feet on the ground. They're planted, sure. You're okay, you're firm, you're solid. And just breathe in and out, regularly in and out. And I'm going to ask you just to stay there for a while. Be grateful for your brain, your heart, your lungs, you're planted. And just breathe. And whenever you're ready, just slowly open your eyes. I'm sure that felt well, yeah? The body was able to relax. We call this grounding ourselves. Okay, very quickly, the next thing I want to teach you is progressive muscular relaxation. We call it PMR. Whenever we're stressed or nervous, we get knots, we get tensed in our bodies, and this process will help you to relax. So we're going to contract and relax groups of muscles, and I'm going to talk you through it from our facial muscles down to our toes. Yeah? And I'm going to demonstrate it, and then you're going to do it with me. Now, when I ask you to release, I don't want you to suddenly release or quickly release. I want you to slowly release, because that way you can feel the effect. So we're going to start with our facial muscles. You're going to close your eyes real tight like this and clench your jawline like this. And when I say release, you're going to slowly release like this. Slowly release. Good. Now you're going to do your shoulders, your arms, your hands, very tight, but breathe, hold it, and then relax. Shoulders down, arms, hands. Now your abdominal muscle and what we call the sphincter muscle, which is that muscle that you hold when you don't want to urinate. And when you hold that muscle, your anal muscles close. So we're going to do our abdominal muscles and our sphincter muscle. Feels weird, but it's okay. Hold it, and then slowly relax. Good. Now you're going to pull your legs backward onto you. So knees bent, ankles out, toes curled under. Yeah? And hold it, and then relax. Ankles in, toes out, legs stretch. Now we're going to do it, all of them together, from toes up. I'm going to talk you through it. You're going to hold them all and then release. Okay, ready? Good. Toes curled under, ankles out, knees bent, abdominal muscles, sphincter muscles, shoulders, arms, hands, eyes, teeth. Hold. Breathe. Breathe. Relax. Eyes, hands, arms, shoulders, legs, toes. Relax. And I'm sure you'll feel the blood just rushing back through your system. You can use these two techniques. They're very easy. You can do them anywhere. It helps to kickstart the parasympathetic response, which helps us to be more relaxed and more calm. And all of us here at Calm International want you to be calm, not to worry about what's happening. Be mindful, but make sure that you're taking care of your mental health and of your physical health. So on behalf of us all here at Calm, we wish you calm, we wish you peace. United we stand, divided we fall. Thank you.